Low-profile design fits behind the industry's thinnest mounts and TVs. 15 amp, 125-volt tamper-resistant duplex receptacle allows power to be installed behind a wall-mounted TV or similar application. Metal mounting wings are attached to the top and bottom plates and fasten against the drywall as you tighten. Female end of included extension cord is recessed completely into the wall when plugged in to the straight blade inlet. Male end of included extension cord has a 360 degrees rotating flathead, allows furniture to be placed flush against the wall for a clean finish. Compatible devices. Duplex device receptacle. Top reviews from the United States. Simple and well made. A simple install, the instructions were honestly well written. I appreciated the color coding and tabs to indicate what went where. The idea is great, and this is honestly super easy to install. I think if I were to do it again, I might purchase some kind of tubing to go into the wall, as I had to use fish tape to get HDMI cables run. Overall, quality product and very pleased.